Welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Good morning students. All of you know that while speaking or writing, we avoid repeating the same noun. We use some other word for this noun. And what is this word we use to avoid the repetition of the same noun? Yes, pronoun. So, today we are going to learn about pronoun and its kinds. What is mean by pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun to avoid the repetition of noun is called pronoun. Thus, pronouns substitute for nouns to avoid repetition. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they, their, them, etc. Kinds of pronouns. Pronouns can be classified into the following types: personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Now see personal pronouns. A pronoun which stands for a person or thing is called a personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are of three types. The first person. The pronouns which refer to the person or persons speaking are of the first person. For example, I, we, mine, ours, me, us. The second person. The pronouns which refer to the person or persons spoken to are of the second person. For example, you, yours. The third person. The pronouns which refer to persons or things spoken of are of the third person. For example, he, she, it, him, his, her, its, they, them, theirs. Demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns which point to a particular thing or things are called demonstrative pronouns. For example, this, that, these, and those. Near, in distance or time, we can use this and these. For far in distance or time, we can use that and those. For example, this tastes good. That is beautiful. These are bigger than those. Those were the days. Possessive pronouns. Pronouns which show ownership are called possessive pronouns. For example, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. For example, this pet is mine. This is my towel. That is yours. The blue coat is hers. Interrogative pronouns. Pronouns that are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. For example, which, what, whose, who, and whom. Whom shall we ask? Which is heavier? Who won yesterday? Whom did you tell about this? In this way, today we have learned the topic pronoun and its kinds. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.